Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you.
I was absent yesterday because of network issue. I have completed my work and
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, yesterday we have made a chart. Ma'am,
Yes,
yesterday
now
we have...
I'm commenting. Yes. I saw your charts. I saw your drawings. Yes. Now see, Arhan. I have commented on Arhan.
Ma'am, what we will do today? Ma'am, what
Beta,
we will do today?
have some patience. Have some patience. I'm going to tell you what we are going to do today. Don't worry. Yashmit Mishra, your work is very nice. Very neatly done. Okay.
Ma'am, which work?
The charts. Now everybody please check the WhatsApp group. I'm commenting over there on the charts that you have made. You made a chart paper yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody just go and check the class group. All of you. WhatsApp group. I'm commenting on your work. Those who have sent me their work. And Arav Gupta, your work is very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So neatly done, so nicely done. And who else before Arav Gupta? Sanvi Agarwal. Sanvi Agarwal, your work is also wonderful. Sanvi is there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, looks like she's not there. So only these many students sent me their work, huh? Out of so many.
No, ma'am. I also sent Akshita Tiwari.
Akshada, you also sent? Let me again just check. I thought that I'll comment on your work in front of you only. All of you.
Can we send now?
Before, no, okay, Shobit Gupta. Yes, Shobit Gupta, I can see.
Ma'am, I am sending the work now. Just a second.
Okay, beta, send Shobit Gupta and then before. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
see my.
Whose work? Who is
Ma'am, I am showing Ashray.
Ashray? Where are you showing your work? Are you sending on the class group?
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
ma'am,
is SST work.
ma'am, some network issues. So my network issues. So ma'am, I cannot make my work.
You cannot make your work because of network issue. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, but beta,
Yes, ma'am.
I shared it on the class group also. I shared the pic on the class group. So why
Ma'am, I
don't you make from there?
saw.
Yes?
Ma'am, I do not there saw there.
Okay.
But ma'am, I have one screenshot.
Yes, now you can make it from there. And Summer, beta Summer, your work is
Okay, ma'am.
incomplete. You have just drawn mountains. That's it. That's incomplete work. Okay, Akshada Tiwari, very nice work. Very nice work. Then whose work am I missing? I'm missing Kunal's work. Kunal had also completed his work, right? Kunal is there in the class? No, he's not there.
And we have to draw this.
Yes, I told you to draw this. You were not there yesterday.
Ma'am, I have made these three: mountain, valley, peninsula.
So that means your work is incomplete. Okay, Jasreena. Jasreena's work is also very nice. Very nice work. Am I missing to comment on anyone's work? Please tell me if anybody is left.
My Mokshit. My Mokshit.
Mokshit, beta, see, check. I have just, I think, done it. Mokshit. Mokshit, I have written good work. And who is this? Ashray. But beta, you have to complete it and then send it. Ashray, very neat work. Very nice, beta. I hope now nobody is missing.
And we have to draw this in which book?
Beta, you are supposed to draw it on a piece of paper, on a drawing sheet, art sheet. If you don't have, draw it on A4 size sheet. If you don't have, draw it on a chart paper. Make it little small and then draw it. But I'm sure you must be having any drawing copy, drawing file type thing, art file.
Ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Ma'am, I have made this drawing yesterday.
But you didn't share it. Okay, Arhan, you shared it also. I have commented on your work. Okay, now today, the worksheet of long answers we have already done. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we will do new chapter. Ma'am, in drawing copy in fair notebook.
No, beta, you were supposed to do it in on a sheet, A4 size sheet.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we are starting a new chapter.
No, we are not going to do any new chapter now. We are just going to keep it till here. We will do a little revision and all. Is that clear? Clear
Yes,
to all
ma'am.
of you? Yes. Now, let's do something of a new chapter, that is responsibilities of good citizen. I'm going to type something in the chat box and you are supposed to do it in your worksheets. I'm just going to type a few questions over there. Clear?
Ma'am,
You
we have to
will-
do in our
SST
Not
copy.
right.
Yes, it is a kind of revision. We are doing revision. I'm going to type it in the chat box. A few questions. You are supposed to do it in your SST copy.
Ma'am, we have to write the heading word.
please tell again, one time again.
My God, one time more. I am typing a few questions in the chat box. You are supposed to do it in your social studies copies. Is it clear now? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All of you put today's date, write down the heading.
Ma'am, I said something.
What?
Ma'am, you are sending the questions in the chat
Beta,
box.
I will type the questions in the chat box. Just wait. But before that, all of you write down today's date and the heading responsibilities of good citizen revision. Okay? Now, no, okay. That means you people are not being able to understand.
Ma'am, but I have written worksheet.
No problem. Okay, Atharv Gupta, what is this language in the chat box? What are you trying to do?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have not do it.
You have not done what? Children, you people,
This language.
you have not written. Atharv Gupta in the chat box to everyone, and you're saying you have not written. Then who has written?
My sister.
Then
Small sister.
why is your sister taking your phone? Just tell me this. Can you tell me?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, beta. All right. The first question is, now nobody will type in the chat box. Let me make this worksheet. This is worksheet number 1. No, this is worksheet number 1 from which chapter? Responsibilities of good.
Science and history detailed question answer come.
What?
I mean science and history detailed question answer will come.
No, they will not come.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is the heading. Worksheet number 1, responsibilities of good citizen. Now all of you will mute yourself. And for the first and the last time today, I'm telling that you have to write questions also. Anybody who will ask me this silly question, I will not reply to it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Then, ma'am, we write paper. Question answer and question answer will come.
Yes, question answers will come.
Ma'am, now can I speak? Oral.
Any other important question you want to ask?
Ma'am, I Shobhit Gupta. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, we write, ma'am, we firstly write only answers and then write questions.
You are supposed to write questions and then their answer. Then question and then the answer.
Ma'am, test or worksheet. Excuse me, ma'am. Then where is worksheet?
Beta, I'm typing the questions. Can you please let me do the work? Somebody or the other keeps speaking in the class and disturbs me, and then other children say, ma'am, where is the worksheet? Will you let me type it? Yes, Varshita, what is now your question?
Ma'am, I'm asking that, ma'am, is this test a class test or a worksheet?
It's just a worksheet. Can you see on the top? Did you see the heading in the chat box?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday I was learning the second chapter, so I don't know the third.
Ma'am, I am thinking to learn the third chapter today, ma'am. Because I am learning the second chapter yesterday.
No problem, beta. It's just a worksheet. It is not a class test.
Ma'am, can we start doing the worksheet?
Beta, do you want some special instruction? Of course, you have to start doing the worksheet. I'm typing questions. You type the first question, start doing it.
Ma'am, we can see from a textbook, right?
What?
We can see from a textbook.
Yes, you can take little help from the textbook. Children, first you'll do these 5 questions. And then if there'll be time left, I will make you do more.
Ma'am, this is the answer the question in brief.
Yes, beta, these are very short answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Very good, Shaurya. Very nice. Beta, mute yourself, Raina.
Ma'am,
Children, how? You've also done? Okay, so I think I should type 2 more questions now.
Ma'am, I am writing the answer third.
Ma'am, says we write private property example also. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, is you. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Beta, you have to write examples also.
Ma'am, after completing this
give
work,
one
we will
example.
post on group.
No, don't post it on the group. We will just discuss it. Don't post it over there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all. Sorry.
Ma'am, I have done some more thing.
How many of you have done it?
Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Ma'am, I am.
Okay, how many of you are doing it? Tell me how many of you are doing it?
Ma'am, I am doing R.S. Gupta. Ma'am, I am doing Ashman Saxena.
On which question are you?
Ma'am, I am on third. Ma'am, third. Ma'am, I am on third.
All right, so
I have done the questions. I am writing the answers.
all
Ma'am,
right.
I'm on
So
third
I
section.
think now listen. These questions are enough. I will not give more than 7 questions. These 7 questions are enough for today's class. Is that clear?
I am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on sixth question.
Very nice. Now nobody will speak until and unless you have to ask me something very important. Okay? Continue your work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done Rasya.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of individual?
What beta? What spelling?
Ma'am, of individual.
Individual.
Yes, ma'am.
Individual. Individual.